Step functions. More features. Built-in error handling. AWS step functions automatically handles errors and exceptions, whether the task takes seconds or months to complete. You can automatically retry failed or timed out tasks, respond differently to different types of errors, and recover gracefully by falling back to designated cleanup and recovery code. History of each execution. AWS Step Functions integrates with Amazon CloudWatch and AWS CloudTrail to deliver real-time diagnostics and dashboards. It logs every execution including overall state, failed steps, inputs, and outputs. If things go wrong, you can quickly troubleshoot and remediate failures. Visual monitoring. Launching an application is as simple as pressing a button, then watching the steps execute visually, so you can quickly verify that everything is operating in order, and as expected. The console clearly highlights errors, so you can quickly pinpoint their root cause and troubleshoot issues. High availability. AWS Step Functions has built-in fault tolerance and maintains service capacity across multiple availability zones in each region to protect applications against individual machine or data center failures. Automatic scaling. AWS Step Functions automatically scales the operations and underlying compute to run the steps of your application for you in response to changing workloads. It ensures the performance of your application workflow remains consistent as the frequency of requests increases. Security and compliance. AWS Step Functions is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management (AWS IAM) and recommends a least privileged IAM policy for all of the resources used in your workflow. Step Functions is a HIPAA-eligible service and can be used with applications containing healthcare-related information, such as personal health information (PHI). AWS Step Functions is also compliant with SOC, System and Organization Control measures. Pay per use. With AWS Step Functions, you pay for each transition from one state to the next. Billing is metered by state transition. You do not pay for idle time, regardless of how long each state persists, up to 1 year. This keeps Step Functions cost-effective as you scale from a few executions to tens of millions. High-volume orchestration. AWS Step Functions adds express workflows that is suitable for high-volume short-duration workflows, such as streaming data processing and IoT data ingestion. Express workflows support event rates greater than 100,000 per second. Express workflows can coordinate AWS Lambda function invocations, AWS IoT rules engine actions, and Amazon Event Bridge events from over 100 AWS third-party SaaS event sources.